Hey everybody, Matt Farler from DocuSign University here with another trainer tip for everybody. Have you ever been confused about how to edit an e-signature template that you have made accessible via a web form? What's the process for changing up fields and recipients on the template and then ensuring that the associated web form accurately displays all the changes you've made? Well, I'm here to walk you through it. So in this example, I have a residential loan application template, part of which needs to be filled out by the member, part of which needs to be filled out by the co-member, and the final page needs to be filled out by the lender themselves. We would like to make this process as painless as possible for the applicants, so I am going to make a web form for this template, and the member will be the primary participant. Now, the important thing to understand when creating a web form with a template is that a copy of the template is immediately created. It's called the web form copy. This means that any edits made to the original template will have no effect on the web form copy. Because of that, once you create the web form, if you ever do need to make updates to the associated template copy, you have to go into the signature page on the web form builder to do so. Now, here in the right panel, we have some interesting options, including a direct link to edit the web form template copy by clicking the pencil icon here. You can also see which supported fields in your template are connected or mapped to fields in your web form by clicking on the pencil next to Template Connections. This shows you the data labels of the fields on the template and the names of their mapped fields on the web form, and you can change these around and remap them. So let's say that I neglected to add a few fields on my template before I created the web form, and now I need to update it and add those fields. I'll start by coming into this signature page and editing the template itself. I'm going to add two new text fields onto the document and give them customized data labels. After saving, these new template fields are not immediately shown on the web form. As such, if I go back to the signature page and look up the template connections, I see a couple fields on the template that have no source field on the web form yet. So I'm going to create those fields on the web form as well, giving them whatever name I wish in whatever placement I wish. Then I'll go back to the signature page and edit the template connection and map those fields appropriately so that the participant entered values end up in the right fields on the resulting document. Using this process, I can make whatever changes I believe are necessary on the template, and as long as those fields are properly mapped to fields on the web form, it's as if those fields were on my template all along. And remember, any changes that you make to the web form copy will have no effect on the original e-signature template. I hope this trainer tip has helped you. My name is Matt Farler from DocuSign University. We'll see you next time.